Our logistics company is a family-run, medium-sized company. Since 1990, we've been active on the market as a forwarding and logistics company, and we currently have a fleet of 66 owned vehicles, ranging from 40-ton to 12-ton vehicles, and currently operate on a logistics area of 22,000 square meters. To us, it was important to find a company in that area of service that corresponded to the size of our company. I didn't want to find a big company with thousands of employees where I wouldn't have a direct contact. I wanted a medium-sized company that can also work with medium-sized companies and just communicate at eye level. And, of course, Soloplan also has that family-run company structure that convinced me. And since then, we have had a small success story together. Back then, we had 20 trucks of our own. Now we have 66. So Soloplan accompanied us in our growth. Now, very many processes are automated, so we can carry them out with simply 2 to 3 clicks. From order acceptance to passing them on to the truck. A very significant improvement is the customer friendliness. Since now, when a customer calls and asks where the truck is, we can tell them right away when it will likely arrive and why it is not there yet, thanks to telematics. So there was a lot of room for improvement in that area alone. Before CarLo, work was much more complicated, time-consuming and effortful. Now, it's so much easier. We can process more orders and just have become accustomed to working with the software every day. It's an adjustment at the beginning, but it's worth it. We also use InMotion, so we partially book the vehicle-related costs and thus have the possibility of making evaluations. Before the regular financial accounting evaluation, we can already say whether the tour is worthwhile or whether it will work with our costs structure.
Due to the transmission via tablets for driving orders, we have less phone calls with our drivers and can see exactly where our vehicles are right now, thanks to the positioning on the vehicle's tablets.
Now we can basically transmit everything with the click of a button. Which number the driver needs, who he needs to contact, at what time he needs to be there. He doesn't need to write anything down. Everything is sent to his tablet, and he receives exactly what we sent him without anyone being able to make any mistakes. First of all, in respect to Soloplan, we have planned a customer connection from our side. The customer would like us to establish an interface for another IT provider from the customer's side. That is the project that we are currently implementing. We are in close correspondence with Soloplan, and that is working very well. Another thing in Soloplan's future is the migration to .NET. I'm not an IT expert, so I can't say exactly what that means, but it just shows me that Soloplan thinks in an innovative and future-oriented way and doesn't just have one fixed software that they always sell, but always develops it further and passes that on to their customers.